This is now the last quarter-final match of the Chesa Calvaria sponsored Inter-Barangay Volleyball Tournament for men. And this is between Tinago and Bating. Barangay Tinago and Barangay Bating. First point goes to Batinggil. Ang ganda ng play, oh. Back quick. Deadlock at 1-all. One hand set. Free ball at pumasok pa. Buenas. 1-2 play, oh. Then, ayun. Import ng Tinago. Happy to see may mga import kami pambulok-bulok. Mga barangay. Oh, naka-take also. Yan, yung server sa kabila is an import. Ang bulok-bulok. Man sa kabila, yung import, yung center. Again, from our place. Ayan, nagsalisiya ng outside serve. 1-2 play ng setter. Ginawa rin yung outside. Layo. So, mga second generation ng mga kainglit. Yung mga peners ito. Wow! Inside. Block. Another block. Batinggil. Lulog. And that was Flores. Outside. Yan, yung libero sa kabila pala, Bikirano yan from Foundation University. This is Flores, former player ng Southwestern Cobras. It's 6 serving 8. Ayo. Oh, ang ganda ng quick. Dan serving 9. Oh, yan o. Tingnan nyo yun. Ang liit. It's 10. Serving 7. 1-2 play. Outside. Yan. Tumawag ng first time out ang Tinago. Power thing. Nakuha. Back row attack. Taas ng ano? Outside block. Ang gandang laro ito eh. Service ace. Tingnan natin. Hataw lang. Hataw. Ito rin. Hataw din. Ganda ng defense ng bawat team. At yun. Import ng bulok-bulok. Ganda no? Mga bata na medyo mabababa ang height pero hataw at mga jump na napataas. Lakat 11 all. Deadlock at 11 all pa. Ito, tinan natin. Good save by the libero. Kung sa Silulan, kung sa San Antonio, meron silang simpatente dito. Merong Oso. Oso ba yan? Family name. Yun, nakuha. Sayang. Yan, nauna. Good call. Pwede nito, si Oso. 13 all tayo. Sa block. Ito, nakuha. Tingnan natin. Masok. Good save. Isa pa. Yan. Nuts. Change of lead. 14 serving 13. One and set. Lead for Barangay Batinggil. Side block. Outside. 14 serving. 16. Flores, matake ito, nakuha pa. At hindi save. Wow. Power pink. 15 serving, 17. Set number 1. Ito, nakuha yung drop ni Flores. Gumante, subalit net violation yung blocker. Wala. Ito na, nakuha. Diniretso at that was inside. That's good, that's good. 1 point lead for the team in black and white. Oh, good block. Outside. It's 19-17. Ito na. Net violation yung attacker. Lumubo na sa tatlo ang bintahe ng Batinggil. So, bakit ito yun? Nag-service error. Dalawa na lang. 18. Serving 20. Anong play? Slide pick yun ah. Ito, tingnan natin. 3. Ayan! Call for the last time out. So quick talaga. Ito. Shoot. 3-point lead. It's 23, 21-18. Oh, ito naman, straight forward to. Nakakaamis ang itong laro ito. Yung mga maliliit ang mga hato ay talagang ito, yung batang to. Lefty, pero mababa pero kung set number 2 with Batinggil serving first. That's Flores. Subalit may positional po. Lumito yung middle biker. Isang import, still from Sibulan. Daming import from Sibulan, no? 2 serving 1. Yun na. Deadlock at 2 all. Di pumasok yung hataw. There's a block. Pinulit sa kabila. Ball check niya. Yan, si Sureño from our place. Import ng Tinago. Wow! Ganda naman nun. Ganda ng laro. Hatawan talaga. Yan ito. Yan, no? Want to play yung lefty. Kung di lefty to. Decided by the referee. Deadlock at 6 tayo. Ayun, no? Power kick. Ben serving 6. Walang support. Blackthorn for Batingil. 3-point lead. This is set number 2 with the team in black and white winning set number 1. Another rotational fault for a positional fault. And kasi that's a problem kasi. What's the problem there? Bakit gano'n? Na tinawagan yung dito na kasi nga itong libero yung sa harapan niya light nasa likod ng black. So, hirapan ng referee doon sa pag-identify. Malayo ng bintahe. Pasok yung backward attack. Stand 7-14. Ball check. So nalilito na yung mga players kasi na yan, pag jump serve tumatakbo una yung setter inside. So that's scooping or pushing. Want to play ng setter from bulok-bulok. And he is back. Again, this is set number 2 of the last quarterfinal. And nag-service ace pa. Tawag agad ng timeout si coach. Ito, ubos ka agad ng timeout ni Coach Kirby sa tinago. Ayun. There was a block. Coach. Lumaya. Humahabol. Piso, and there's a ball check. Mababa rin pero kung lumundag ang taas. Yan, this is the guy. Oh, 1-2. Hindi na ba second time. Nanawa daw dito yung score din. Wow, that's diputado from Sibulan. Oh, talo sa depensa dito sa kabila. Tapos Flores, ang lakas ng punjab. Ito, control spike. Back attack. Balik ng outside. Hatay ng puso. Nakuha pa. Push by number 12. Ito. Serving 17. 4-point lead for the team in white and black. Yun, ang ganda ng 18-22. Yun na naman, ang ganda. Tignan natin, makakahabol ba? Outside block. Ganda ng lefty. It's 23-19. Locked. Denied. No entry. Hindi pumasok. And the game is over. It's 25-19.